Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove noise from audio in CapCut PC. I'll just use the audio here. To remove noise, select it, go to basic, select the reduce noise, and you're also actually going to select enhance voice and vocal isolation. I actually like vocal isolation a bit better. Select keep vocal, and it's going to remove any background noise that you have. Was this the same video that I just added now? Let's extract the audio from that one and see the difference. Well, hear the difference. Oops. There's not much of a difference, honestly, because my mic is not that bad. But like, if you have a lot of noise, it's going to, trust me, make a major difference. I use this feature when I'm singing and the guitar is a little bit louder than my voice, and it removes it. It doesn't completely remove it, but it reduces the noise. So that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.